What's up guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can get started with Apollo in Create React app. Apollo is a pretty good GraphQL client for making GraphQL requests in any type of application. You can use any kind of framework and it is pretty easy. It provides many packages and has a pretty good community. So I'm going to show you how you can quickly get started with it. All you need is Node.js installed and an package manager, npm or yarn, whichever you prefer. I'm going to use this Launchpad GraphQL API for testing, and you can use your own GraphQL API, or GitHub has a pretty good one. It is the GitHub version 4 GraphQL API. You can use that as well. So let's get started. So to get started, open your terminal and type create react app. So I have not globally installed create react app, so I can use npx create react app and name of the application. I am going to say Apollo testing. So this should create an react app. I will be back with you when it's done. So it's done installing. So now we can go into the folder Apollo testing, and we can run yarn add react Apollo GraphQL and Apollo boost. These are the packages you will require to get started with Apollo. So now it's done installing. We should open our code editor. So first we need to get rid of some boilerplate code. So go into source app.js, remove all of this stuff inside the app. Let's say test for now. Delete these two. Delete app.css and delete the logo. Now to get started with Apollo, I'm going to create a new folder named Apollo, and we will have client.js in here. This will be our Apollo client. So first we need to import Apollo client from Apollo boost. Then we need to create a client, const client equals to new Apollo client, and this client takes in an URI, and this is the URI for your GraphQL server. Let's copy this launchpad's URL. So it is down here. Copy and paste it this into this. Then we will export this client. So export default client. So now we need to inject this client into our application. So we can do that by going to index.js. Let's import stuff from React Apollo. This is the React specific stuff, so we will import the Apollo provider. This uses the context API to inject the Apollo client. So Apollo provider, we will provide it the client prop, which will be our client, and let's wrap our app in this. So move this. Let's import our client. So import client from /apollo /client. Save this. Let's format this as well. Then now we are ready to test this in our application. So in apps.js we will import from React Apollo the query render prop component, and we will import ggraph GQL tag from Apollo Boost. So const query equals to GQL, and we can write our query in here. So I'm going to go to graphical and write a query. So we will grab the post, we will grab the ID, we will grab the title, we will grab the author, we will grab author's ID and author's first name, and we can grab the votes. So let's copy this and paste it in here. Oops, it's not copied. Paste it in here. So now we can use this query in our application. So let's make the query component work. Query, it expects an query prop, and we will pass it our query. So query, and it is render props, so we should use a function here, and this gives us access to data and loading. So we can check if loading or data doesn't access, so we should return loading. Probably in my real world application you should render a spinner in here, but for now I am just saying loading. And after that we can grab the post from the data, from data, and we should destruct it to get the post, and we can return an UL, and we can map the post. So post dot map, we will post, and let's explicitly return this, and this should receive a key, and key would be the post.id, and we should say post.title in here, and by post.author dot name dot first name, and last votes. So votes will be post.votes. Let's save this and format this, and let's start our application by doing yarn start. I should have started this already. It's loading, compiling our stuff, starting the development server. Webpack is probably compiling our modules and bundling them. Waiting, it should run now. So you see loading for a brief time, and see introduction to GraphQL by Tom. We are not seeing our votes though. It is named votes, and here post, so it should be post. Let's save this. It should refresh, and here are our votes. Still not getting the votes. What is happening? Let me look the data. You can use your developer tools. Let's go to Apollo. You can install these awesome developer tools. These are the Apollo developer tools. So it's connecting to the client. We can look at the cache. It's post.vots, and we are also grabbing. Did we grab that in the query? Yep. So why it's not showing anything? Save this. I think I have forgotten to save it. Yep, that was the case. I have forgotten to save that. So now let's test out the mutation in this. So first we will write a mutation in here. Mutation vote. It requires a post ID which will be an integer. So the name of the mutation is upvote post. Post ID will be this variable we created above, and we will grab ID and title and the votes. Let's copy this. So first we will create it. Const mutation equals to GQL. Let's paste this, and now we can use the mutation component. So mutation, not mutate props, mutation, and we can use mutation in here, and the mutation is the mutation we created above. It is a render prop component, so we can grab the mutation. It will be vote, and we can render a button in here. Button vote this post, dismiss this, and button will have a on click which will invoke this function which will vote, and the variables would be there. Which variable it requires? It requires a post ID. Let's copy this down here, and we can grab the post ID from post.id. Save this, format this as well, and we should shortly enough would see the button. Let this load. Yeah, so I am opening the Apollo developer tools once again, so you can see the mutations happening. It's the mutation log. Let's see, it's voting, post ID 1, vote, and in the network panel you can see the request. See, and it is also implementing this. This is the magic of Apollo. It automatically refreshes this once the result is grabbed from the network. My network is pretty slow. So yeah, this is the getting started with Apollo in React. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe, and thank you.